The video just now, and this one is the ginger chicken just cooked. Okay, just now the video is stopped. Okay, I haven't finished. Now I will tell you what I put in this chicken. I put the soya sauce or ketchup soya. I put some oysters. Then you adjust, follow your taste. Okay, oyster sauce or sauce tiram. And then put some around 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and put some black sauce. Is adjust following your taste. Okay, and then I put also dry chili. Look at here, I put some one or two pieces of dry chili, following your taste, because if you have kids you cannot put more chili. If you like more spicy, then you put more chili. Then this one is bay leaf, okay, or laurel leaf, or some other call is biryani leaf. Indonesia we call it daun salam. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is my ginger chicken. Okay, bye.